Additional reading list citation attributes. So Alma comes out of the box with certain defined citation attribute types and citation attribute configurations. You can now add additional attribute types and attributes and map them to each other as needed. Up to 5 citation attributes can be added per citation attribute type. We've added citation attribute types and attributes to the courses options within the fulfillment configuration menu. Now you can specify citation types such as DVDs or pretty much any other media that you wish. So let's check it out. We go down to fulfillment configuration. Here we can see the new options: citation attribute types, citation attributes, and citation attributes to citation attribute types. Let's click on citation attribute types. The out-of-the-box value for citation attribute types is requested format. If you wanted to add another citation attribute type, you could do so via the quick add field here. Put in a code, a description, and a default value. If you want to save it, you will click customize, and it will take you back to the menu. Okay. Similarly, we've got citation attributes, and the out-of-the-box values here are book, audio, CD, and DVD, and you can configure these fields for any relevant item. Let's say, for example, you're a professor and you have a whole bunch of students that decided to you're teaching art history, and the students come in and they thought that they're just looking at pictures the whole time, and they didn't expect to do any reading, and they convince you to assign the reading list via audiobooks. So let's set up a citation attribute for audiobooks. Let's make up a code. Description will be the name, the type of media. Okay, we're going to add the row. And here you can see in the 5th slot, I created this, and it's added to the out-of-the-box values. Okay, I'll click Customize to finish. The last step in configuring is to go to the mapping table, which can be found here in Citation Attributes to Citation Attribute Types. This is our mapping table here. It's got the 4 out-of-the-box values, and if I want to add the one that we just made, I click on it. I choose the attribute type. Here it's requested format since I didn't create another one. And I'll click Add Row. And now it's added, and I click Customize. Now that we've configured our attribution types, let's see how they can be added to the reading list. Okay. If I go into the Alma menu Fulfillment Reading Lists, under Course Reserves, we can see all the different reading lists, and here we have one assigned to me. It's called Art History. Here we've got some books assigned, and we have a physical article, Modern Art in the 60s. If you enter Edit, nothing here is new, but on the bottom, under Citation Attributes, this is new. This is where you can add the citation attribute type. Here, requested format, audiobook, as we had just configured, we're going to add here. And now we can see it's been added if we click Save. Now when I look at the citation Modern Art in the 60s, all the information that was previously there is still there, but on the bottom it says Citation Attributes, requested format, audiobook. So this way it's clear to the person who's working on the reading list that we're requesting an audiobook and they won't get confused. You can also edit existing reading list citations the same way. I edited an existing one. If you were going to create a new citation, as seen by the buttons up here, the process would be the same. You'd have an option to denote which citation types you would want. Also, you should know these new fields are going to be updated and viewable via the API. The result is more clear, specific reading lists, and that is Citation Attributes, February 2015.